Right then, let's get this show on the road, shall we, digital darlings? Welcome back to Bit by Bit News, your regular dose of Bitcoin updates. I'm your host, and today we're sifting through the digital tea leaves of June 26th and 27th, where geopolitical tremors have certainly given Bitcoin a good old shake-up. First off, let's talk about the rather dramatic impact of global tensions. Yesterday, June 26th, saw Bitcoin attempting to recover its footing after a rather wobbly period earlier in the month. The ongoing situation in the Middle East, particularly the Israeli and US strikes on Iranian nuclear sites, has continued to stir the pot, impacting investor sentiment, while gold, ever the traditional safe haven, surged to near record highs. Bitcoin, bless its digital heart, initially acted more like a risk-on asset, taking a tumble before finding its equilibrium. As of yesterday, Bitcoin was seen trading around the $107,000 mark, trying its best to stay above the crucial 100,000 support level if that wasn't enough to turn anyone bullish. The IMF now also classifies Bitcoin as a capital asset. Now, let's pivot to some rather less savoury goings-on, shall we? It seems North Korea has been rather busy, if not entirely productive, in the crypto space. The Financial Action Task Force, or FATF as they're known, has just reported that North Korea hackers executed a monumental heist in June, swiping a staggering $1.46 billion from the Bybit exchange. A jaw-dropping figure, wouldn't you say? And here's the kicker. A whopping 96.2% of those pilfered assets are still missing. This, naturally, has the FATF demanding urgent reforms in cryptocurrency regulations globally. It also appears these chaps are rather keen on meme tokens, having recently targeted several projects for a cool $1 million loss. It's a stark reminder that even in the whimsical world of digital assets, there are always nefarious characters lurking. Moving east, our gaze towards China and India. China, as many of you know, implemented a comprehensive ban on all cryptocurrency activities effective June 1st, 2025. This includes trading, mining, and even individual ownership. The People's Bank of China is clearly keen on centralizing financial control and pushing its digital yuan. So for now, the dragon remains rather closed off to decentralized digital gold. Meanwhile, in India, it's a different tune altogether. Yesterday, June 26th, saw discussions around India's unique opportunity to lead the digital asset space, especially given the US Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, which was launched earlier this year and is now valued at over $20 billion. Today, June 27th, we're seeing continued maturation of India's crypto futures market, with platforms offering traders more ways to navigate price fluctuations. Bitcoin was trading around 9 million Indian rupees today, which is roughly 109,000 US dollars. It seems the subcontinent is rather more keen on embracing the digital future, albeit with a healthy dose of their own regulatory oversight. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of Bitcoin's recent adventures, from the geopolitical chess game in the Middle East to North Korea's rather audacious digital pilfering and the contrasting approaches of China and India to the IMF declaring it a capital asset. It's clear Bitcoin continues to be at the heart of global events. That's your Bit by Bit news for today. Subscribe for your daily crypto brew. Until then, stay sharp, stay calm, and carry on stacking. And be sure to read the disclaimer at the end.